If you're looking for some really nice clear nursery pots, you should definitely take a look at these. The company sent these out to me to try out. I'm really liking them so far. So this is a 15 pack, so you get 5 of each size. There's a 6-inch size, 8-inch size, and a 10-inch size here. So you get 5 of each of those. Get some tags, or these plant markers as well. They do come with the saucer at the bottom as well, so that's really nice. If you're using it indoors, that's going to be really nice to keep the water from getting all over the place. They have nice drainage holes in there, so no worry about poor drainage, so that's really nice. So you can see I have the 10-inch pot here. I just put some herbs in there, so hopefully when those herbs grow up, this will be a perfect size for that. And then here I have a 10-inch pot with a tree in it. Really nice because you can slip them into another pot just like that, and then it's really easy to pull them out. You can check on the root growth. You can check how much water it has because it's clear. So that's what's really nice about these clear pots. Really nice and durable. And yeah, if you're looking for some really nice pots, definitely check these out. It's really nice to be able to see inside, just to see what's happening with your plants.